What's up guys, it's the Boss Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be starting my first ever Let's Play. So you may see I have loads of iron stuff. That's just because I think it's boring just getting all the stuff. It takes forever. It's all about them diamond hunting. So today I'm going to try and make this system, maybe a tree house system or I don't know, just a normal house. But today we're making a house, so yeah. I'm gonna do it out of birchwood. I'm gonna make like a system across the trees, because I think it'll be pretty cool. This bit's a bit boring, but you know you gotta do some things, but you have to get an iron. I mean, the first time you see iron is pretty good, but you're like, oh my god, iron, I'm gonna get it. Now I can get diamonds. But yeah. Um, oh, 28. I'm just gonna quickly drop down these. Sorry if I've been sniffing a lot as well. I'm not feeling well. Um, I do have a cold. I know I feel bad this season. Bam, 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 bam. Right, another 7. Yeah, right, 56. Alright, I'm gonna at least get a stack of them. Get this one over here. That should be fine. Another 7. Right, that should be enough for the first little bit. Now, where should I start from? I will eventually make these stairs. I'm just doing this so won't waste time. I know that was coming on. Cool. Uh, there. Yeah, so this isn't gonna be it. I'm gonna build the so my base is gonna be within all the trees. What? I haven't been talking for ages. Yeah, I forgot I was called him. Yeah, so just keep on building. So I will improve this. Right now I'm just making the floor around uh, down, 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 tap down. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, that's those. Also, a build battles. We're gonna shoot. Me and my cousin Alec are gonna shoot a video today. Build battle. Um, it's gonna look really good when I'm done. I promise. Wait, I could probably take off this layer. Yeah. God. Oh, apple. Banana, 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 apple. Mm. Oh my God. One sec, guys. I'm done. Okay. Yeah. So just gonna. So this is my first day at my house. I might need to make a part two of this. Not sure. So yeah. I'll just make this. So this is just my bit of presentation, or it's just where I do some stuff. And then, yeah, so I'm just making it like this so nobody can come out. So nobody can come and get us. Got some controls now. Also, I will show you guys something in a sec. Minecraft, don't be glitchy, please. Please, Minecraft, no. Not like this. Okay. Yay! Oh no! Minecraft glitchy! Minecraft, why are you glitchy? Stop lagging! The lag. Okay. Well, that's all we got time for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification button. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you my other world. Because I have all the best stuff on there. So I just want to show you, and I'll be trying to get to that level up and up and up. I think this is the world. There. Because I have all this stuff. I have the elytra somewhere on my chest. I have all this good armor. All of this amazing. And just because my sword's really good, I named it the best sword in the game. So yeah, I'm going to, yeah, so I have the elytra somewhere. I can't remember where I put it. There's a booze in the chest. No. I have loads of potions as well, so there is. I have loads of potions. I need to make the net. I need to go to the nether. I need to get gold blocks. I need to get